Whether you're a school student, a college fresher, or a research scholar, AI tools can boost your productivity and transform your academic life. These AI tools are capable of making you get straight A's in all your courses or subjects. Wondering how? From creating PowerPoint presentations to writing informative assignments or code, there's an AI tool for everything. Today, I'll introduce you to the best AI tools for students. In this video, we will begin by understanding what artificial intelligence is and what are its benefits for students. Then we will move on to discuss the 15 best AI tools for students. So, are you excited to enhance your skills and learning with the power of AI? Let's dive right into it. What is artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence refers to the ability of a computer program to perform operations that require human intelligence. It can solve complex problems, make decisions, have conversations, and perform various operations on its own. Today, you can find a whole range of AI tools flooding the digital world. They are designed to accomplish specific tasks, like writing, idea generation, coding, image creation, building websites, and more. Some popular examples of AI tools are ChatGPT, CopyAI, Google Bard, Midjourney, Synthesia, etc. Benefits of AI tools for students. Incorporating AI tools in the educational journey can have many benefits. Some major benefits are: 1. Boost productivity. The biggest benefit of using AI tools is to automate repetitive tasks and boost productivity. For instance, AI note-taking tools, paraphrasing tools, and web page summarization tools help you save a ton of time and remain productive. 2. Enhanced learning. With AI tools, personalized learning experience can be provided to every student as per their needs and pace of progress. A tailored approach can help in ensuring that each student has an optimal understanding of the educational content. This leads to an effective learning. 3. Improved research. AI-powered tools can even streamline gathering and analyzing data for your research. With their help, you can save time on exploring large amounts of data and get valuable insights along with relevant sources. This is great for research projects, academic articles, and dissertations. 4. Writing and language assistance. Artificial intelligence tools also offer grammar and spell-checking functionalities. They can provide suggestions for improving sentence structure and word choice. Additionally, an AI writing tool can help in creating articles, essays, project reports, and creative content. All of this can help students enhance their language learning and develop stronger communication and writing skills. 5. Greater accessibility. For students struggling with visual impairments or learning disabilities, there are AI-driven accessibility tools as well. Tools like AI text-to-speech help convert written content into voice speech for clearer understanding. Thus, it helps make educational resources like online books, websites, blogs, and research papers more accessible for all students. 6. Skill development. Extending beyond academic subjects, AI tools also help in skill development across various domains. You can find tools to create AI images, videos, and PowerPoint presentations out of simple text prompts. This helps students enhance their artistic expression and creative skills. We have handpicked 15 best AI tools that would be beneficial for students in their academic life. 15. Replica. Student life can often be lonely and confusing with nobody to guide you through the difficult times. Here's when Replica comes in handy. It's a personal AI chatbot that can carry engaging and realistic conversations. Its ability to remember details from your responses makes it unique. You start by selecting an avatar and specifying a few of your interests. Based on that, your replica can have interesting conversations with you. Every time you share a new detail, it stores it into the memory bank for further reference. Overall, if you're feeling isolated, stressed about academics, or struggling with mental health issues, Replica can help you lighten your mood. It can be a good AI friend and offer an attentive ear to share all your worries. On the free plan, you can have unlimited chats. 14. Being image creative. If you need some unique and catchy images for your projects, look no further than Bing AI Image Creator. You just need to describe the image you want in natural language. It'll generate a grid of 4 images that you can download, share, or edit. It's the easiest AI art generator ever. With Bing, students can help create flawless and realistic images for their assignments, presentations, posters, creative projects, infographics, etc. Its ease of use and unlimited image generation are quite impressive. For instance, I just told it to give me a well-labeled diagram of a human eye and the result was amazing. You can share it or download a high quality of the images and use on your research works. Pricing. free 100 images per day, you can still generate unlimited images at slower speeds. 13. Kick Resume. Preparing for a job interview? A well-designed resume can help you leave a mark. To get started, you simply have to answer a few questions via chat, like your name, position, etc. Then you can choose a template from their library of 35+ resume templates. Kick Resume features an AI writer that can help you rewrite your profile section in a professional language and tone. Apart from that, you can also get questions for job interview preparation and insightful career advice by entering your position. I think Kick Resume would be a valuable tool for college students who want to build a professional resume. Though it doesn't allow you to download the AI template for free, you can still screenshot it or edit it on platforms like Canva or MS Word. Pricing. The AI usage limit is quite low on the free plan. It also doesn't allow you to download your resume for free if AI features are used. 12. Ask Coding. Coding can be quite difficult at times, and you cannot always approach your teachers for all your doubts. Ask Cody comes in handy here. Ask Cody is an AI-powered coding assistant that simplifies programming and development for you. It helps you generate code in 50+ languages, translate it into a different language, and get code explanations as well. You get to perform different processes like coding, testing, documentation, etc. But what I liked most was its coding chatbot. It lets you type in your query in conversational language and get code for it within seconds. If you're a beginner in the field of coding, Ask Cody could be a game-changing tool for your programming career. Pricing. With the free plan, you get a total of 50 monthly credits, which is sufficient for most students. 11. Tome.app. Presentations are an evergreen part of your academic life. Be it school, college, or even professional workspace, presentations play an important role in every stage. Tome is an intuitive way of creating presentations with the power of AI. You simply enter a text prompt for your presentation topic. It first generates an outline that you can edit. Then it generates full-fledged presentations with relevant content and images within seconds. Once the presentation is generated, you can share it via links. PDF exports are not allowed, though. For instance, I just told it to create a presentation for me about photosynthesis, and this is what it came up with. I can edit it and even change the images if I don't like them. Then I can share my presentation link when I'm done. If you are a student who wants to save time on creating presentations or lack the skills to create beautiful presentations, Tome app could be your best friend on your academic journey. The free plan of Tome is limited to 50 tomes/workspace and 500 AI credits. 10. Tutor AI. Tutor AI is a personalized tutoring service that helps every student learn at their own pace and style. Students simply need to enter a topic of their choice and select a subcategory under it. Within a minute, you will have an entire course along with in-depth modules under each. As you start with a lesson, relevant and informative content will be generated under it. And under the lesson, you'll find helpful options like Simplify, Examples, Quiz, and Ask a Question. All of these options are aimed at improving your understanding of the topic. For instance, I just told it that I want to learn about Archimedes' principle of flotation. As you can see, this is the result it showed me. It automatically generates a module that I can follow. When I click any of the modules, it automatically generates lessons for that module and I can learn at my own pace. When I'm done with that particular module, I can test myself by clicking the quiz button and automatically, a quiz is generated for me and I can test myself. After the assessment, it will score me and get to see the one I got and the one I failed. While I'm going through the module, I can also ask it questions just as I'd ask my teacher in class about some certain paragraph or any part that I feel I don't understand, and it will just clarify me immediately. Tutor AI is just amazing. Pricing. The free plan of Tutor AI features 3 queries, which is pretty limited. 9. Doctrina AI. Doctrina AI is a tool that revolutionizes students' education by employing AI algorithms to enhance learning. It can not only summarize notes for you, but also generate essays, quizzes, and exams on any topic. However, you can only access notes and quizzes on its free plan. The free notes generator can create notes on any topic of your choice by simply entering the class name and topics discussed. Going one step further, it also recommends books for further reading on the topic. Whereas, its quiz generator requests give you insightful quiz questions on any topic you want. You can also set a difficulty level from easy, medium, and hard for your quiz. With this tool, students can maximize their learning outcomes. In this example, I entered a class topic biology, cell structure, and function. And also, I gave it some content and it automatically generates an improved note on the topic for me. After which I can decide to download it or save it there. Also, using their quiz feature, I just choose the topic, the grade, focus, and the difficulty level. Then it automatically gives me possible questions in that particular topic of which I can start answering the questions and get scored. Pricing, free/paid. 8. Natural Readers. Natural Readers is a platform that uses AI to convert text into speech. All you have to do is choose an AI voice and style, and add the content you wish to convert into speech. You can import text, documents, web pages, or images into the editor. At any point, you can switch to a different AI voice and experiment with different reading speeds. They even have a Chrome extension so you can easily listen to emails, ebooks, blogs, Google Docs, PDFs, and more on the go. Its surprising ability to resemble a human voice, pitch, and tone sets it apart. Natural Readers could be a really helpful tool for dyslexic or visually impaired kids, or kids struggling with learning disabilities. On the free account, you can use unlimited free voices and convert 4,000 characters per day, around 500 words. They also do not allow downloading the audio files. 7. Upward. Upward is an AI notes and summarization tool that is available as a Chrome extension for free. It basically speeds up your research by summarizing any web page or YouTube video you visit. The summaries generated are short and concise for easy reading. Students can use it to summarize lengthy educational lectures and documentaries into easy, bite-sized content for saving time and improving productivity. The best part is that students can generate as many AI notes as they want for free. But for accessing additional features like auto-highlighting, audio player, advanced editing, etc., you can opt for their free trial by entering your card details. Pricing, free trial. 6. ChatPDF. ChatPDF is an artificial intelligence tool specifically designed for PDFs. All you need to do is upload a PDF document on ChatPDF. It may be a course book, a novel, a research paper, an academic journal, or anything else. ChatPDF will analyze the PDF and answer questions using that information in the chat window. Students can quickly resolve their doubts, understand complex concepts, and fetch important information from any books through this tool. I find its best use case in academic research. Often, researchers need to go through dozens of books to find a simple piece of information. This consumes an unnecessary amount of time. With ChatPDF, they can simply ask relevant questions and get the information they need from any journals and papers. Overall, if you're a student or an academic researcher, you would be absolutely hooked on this innovative AI tool. Its free plan lets you upload 3 PDFs per day and ask 50 questions per day. 5. Google Bard. With access to real-time data, it can fetch reliable content around current affairs and latest news from the web. This makes it ideal for research. It even allows voice input and multiple export options for more convenience. Bard is a conversational generative AI chatbot designed by Google. Trained on 137 billion parameters, Bard has some incredible abilities. It is similar to ChatGPT and functions as an AI assistant for you. If you are a student, you can use it for researching the latest data, generating concise content in easy-to-understand language, writing code, getting code explanation, and brainstorming ideas. I especially like that it can summarize an entire web page from its URL. Overall, if you need to enhance your research with the latest data, Google Bard is your best bet. 4. Quillbot. Does your confidence waver while presenting your ideas in written form? Well, you need Quillbot. It's a really impressive paraphrasing tool that uses AI to rephrase your content into a professional and refined language. On the free plan of Quillbot, you get access to 23 languages and 2 paraphrasing modes, standard mode and fluency mode. You can also access additional tools like grammar checker, co-writer, writing assistant, summarizer, and citation generator. However, it's not limited to just that. To really help you learn, it also highlights the changed and unchanged words in different colors. Analyzing and comparing your writing style with Quillbot's corrections can improve your writing style over time. For students who struggle with expressing their ideas in a clear and concise manner, Quillbot can work wonders. Their free plan is limited to 125 words at a time. 3. Grammarly. Grammarly is another popular grammar checking, proofreading, and editing tool. I'm sure you must have used it for editing your documents. It uses a powerful AI algorithm to offer real-time suggestions for improving your grammar, spelling, writing style, etc. It also detects your content tone so you can convey your message in the right emotion. It is quite accurate at analyzing language patterns, pointing out errors, and offering useful suggestions for correcting them as well. If you're a student who wants to improve their grammar and create error-free documents for school and college submissions, Grammarly is your best friend. Both free and premium plans let you create 300 docs or 150K words per month. 2. CopyAI. CopyAI is a renowned AI writing assistant that is equipped with 90+ use cases and 8 content tones. Its extensive library of use cases has dozens of tools to help students. Students can create precise emails, case studies, short stories, quotes, rephrase or expand content, quiz questions, summaries, etc. For instance, the following are the results when I tried to expand the bullet points about steps to write an effective article into a paragraph. What makes CopyAI stand out is its long-form content generator. It can help you write high-quality content for your academic papers. Whether it's a literature review, a leave application, an essay, or an internship report, you can get high-quality and to-the-point content. You can see, it's helping on how to go about my essay. Here, I also told it to give me an essay example, and it just did. It's also besting in giving a headline to your articles in case you don't need the perfect headline to give your article. So, if you want to generate high-quality content for your essays, assignments, and creative projects, you should try CopyAI. The free version of CopyAI offers 2,000 words per month, which will be sufficient for students. 1. ChatGPT. ChatGPT is one of the most popular AI tools offered by OpenAI. It has revolutionized the industry and made AI accessible to everyone. With this platform, you can not only generate AI content, but also have conversations, brainstorm ideas, solve complex problems, and write code. It works through text-based prompts. The more detailed your text input is, the more relevant the output will be generated. Students can benefit immensely from ChatGPT. For example, here's the result when I asked ChatGPT to explain the Big Bang Theory. It's just amazing how it gave me what I exactly wanted. Even when I told it 500 words, it gave me appropriately that number of words. Another interesting thing is that it can write the article and give you the reference in any referring style that you want, and it will exactly give you what you want. You can use it for researching any topic, breaking down complex concepts, getting creative ideas, rephrasing and editing their assignments, etc. They can also write, debug, and get an explanation for code in any language. So, if you're a student looking for an all-rounder platform to help you in different areas of education, ChatGPT is a must-have tool. Its free version allows generating unlimited content within seconds. In this video, we looked at the 15 best AI tools for students. If you're a student, I hope these AI tools will help you learn better and stay more productive. Which tools did you like the most? Do you currently use AI tools as a student? Let me know in the comments section below. Please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Don't forget to turn on your notification bell so that you will get notified each time we post our videos. Also, share this video to your friends. Stay creative. See you next time.